Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Now, a few weeks back, Nike started releasing more environmentally friendly sneakers. So we saw the Vapor Max Flyknit 2020. They had the Jordan 1 Crater. They had like a series of other Jordan brand sneakers using the same recycled technology. But if there was like one silhouette that I've been waiting for Nike to come up with a version of that, it has always been, of course, one of my favorite shoes, which is the Nike Air Force One. And today, I'm so happy to share with you guys. We finally have it here. This is the Nike Air Force One Crater in Summit White. We will be unboxing it, checking it out, and I'll give you guys my review of this shoe. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are going to draw the winners of the upcoming raffles very soon. So we're giving away a Realme 7 Pro smartphone worth 17,000 pesos. We're giving away off-white face masks, 3. And we're giving away a Cop Garden Travis Scott Astrovision towel. So the links to all the giveaways can be found down below. But the very first step you need to do is to subscribe to the channel. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So as you can see, it comes in your typical Nike Air Force One black box. Nike Air Force One on silver embossed at the top. Details of the shoe over here. So I did get, what size did I get? So I was worried that going through to size might be too small. While the Air Force One does run big, I didn't have a clue as to how the Crater version would run. So I just erred on the side of caution and ordered a half size up. So it says over here, Nike Air Force One Crater Summit White, size 12.5. Pop the box open, you have your typical Air Force One with stars, issued tissue paper, and then ba-bam! Guys, this is the shoe. So what is so special about the Nike Air Force One Crater Summit White? Well, apparently the foam here is using 20% recycled materials, and probably one of the reasons why this sneaker is so light. I mean, the instant I pulled it out of the box, one of the first things that came to my mind was, wow, ang gaan niya. Also, if you take a look at the outsole, this apparently uses 15% Nike grind rubber, which is the speckled material that you see scattered throughout the foam of the shoe. It's a good thing that Nike is like taking sustainability a little bit more seriously. So I'm really happy to add this shoe to my collection. Now, in terms of the color, I went for the closest thing to a triple white, and this is the Summit White color. So as you can see, the back part from the midfoot all the way to the back is your typical white leather Air Force One. The big change happens over here at the toe box. This is where they used more recycled materials, and it has some sort of like layer covering it, which I assume is also made out of recycled stuff. Now, if you peep inside and see the insole, it actually uses the same Crater foam, so you can assume that it uses like recycled materials as well. Now, the big question is, how is this sneaker on feet? I'm happy to report that it is quite comfortable. I love the fact that it is super lightweight, which is one of the biggest complaints that a lot of people have with the Nike Air Force One. Because apart from being chunky and a little bit big, some people find it too heavy. So if you want a lightweight Air Force One that still retains the profile, the look, the style, and it is also environmentally friendly, then this is literally the perfect shoe for you. It keeps the comfort, it's a little bit more breathable, it's so much more lightweight, and again, it kind of helps with the environment. And it's also not that expensive. I remember this one sold for 5,895. So it's like 1,000 pesos or $20 more expensive than your typical triple white Air Force One. But that's a premium that you pay to be able to get this particular look, style, and it being a little bit more lightweight. Now, if you want this shoe but in a different color that pops a little bit more, you do have an alternative. It's called the Pure Platinum. And the Pure Platinum, and I'll post a picture somewhere here, has a vault swoosh on either side on the shoe, and it also has a more colorful midsole as well as toe box. So that one pops a little bit more as opposed to this one, which is more on the subtle side. The color of the toe box on the Pure Platinum actually reminds me a lot of the color that was used in the Vapor Max Flyknit 2020, which we also reviewed a couple of weeks back, which I still find and consider to be one of the most comfortable Vapor Maxes I have ever tried. So when it comes to the Crater line and the environmentally friendly sneakers of Nike, man, I'm really impressed. There is yet one shoe from that particular line that has not made me happy in terms of look, in terms of style, in terms of comfort. I find no compromise. I mean, usually you would think that by using materials like this, you would see either the style or the comfort, you know, take a step back. But in fact, it actually enhanced the overall experience of the shoe. So 2 thumbs up, specifically for this Air Force One. Really happy with it. If you guys have been sitting on the fence and you've been wanting to pull the trigger and you've just been waiting for a review, well, at least for me, very happy, easily 5 out of 5. Again, if you want to pick one up, I will put the link down below in the description box. Just click it and you can buy it from the Nike Philippines website. And with that said, that actually wraps up my vlog for today. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.